another ASMR time because it's break time from work. So I don't want to be lonely. I don't want to be sad, and I want to eat something. ASMR again, guys. Then taro flavor or ubi. Mga untag ice cream, guys. You know, there is a happiness from ice cream. Sarap! Ako lang kumakain nito, guys. Alam niyo, matakaw talaga ako sa ice cream. I love chocolate ice cream, mango, durian, or whatsoever. Basta ice cream. I love it. Ang sarap! Oh my God! Kain tayo, guys. Nga. Ah! Kain tayo, guys. This is my leisurement. You know, I'm so crazy woman. It's because when I'm eating ice cream, I also drinking coffee. Coffee with milk. I really don't know, but I love it. They said, eat what makes you happy. Dress what makes you happy. And laugh together with your friends if there is laughable. But avoid bullying people. Diba? Just to be happy in a simple things. But this one is very, very nice. I'm so grateful for this. Thank you, Lord, for this blessing. I love it, guys. Ubi flavor. Lowy. Then cheese, usahay ka ng durian. Pero wala ko kitag durian dito sa kuan sa Bangla Kaday. Ubi lang, ubi, chocolate, then cookies, then mango. Ang sarap, oh my God. Join with me. Mukbangers talaga ako ng ice cream, guys. Kaya ko tong ubusin in one time, pero ngayon, partial lang muna. Kasi break time. Pag off day ko, kumakain ako ng ice cream, guys. Ganito. Tapos, durian. During gala, kain ng ice cream. I can't resist to eat ice cream. Ang sarap naman kasi ng ice cream. Yummy. Yummy. Siyempre, may Paris yan. Sandwich of bread. Gagawa sana ako ng sandwich with egg. Pero wag na. Of bread na lang diretso. Amazing. Kain ng kain habang may pagkain. Sarap. Awesome. Yeah. Basta walang ginagawa, bigyan ng time ang sarili para kumain. Diba? Pag puro naman kami trabaho dito, guys, puro din naman trabaho. Wala kaming oras kumain. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, pag may time ka, sulitin mo na. Kasi pag oras ng trabaho, puro trabaho, gutom na gutom ka, tiisin mo rin. Ganun lang yun. Hot and spicy. Sarap. Nakakagigil. Yummy. Yung mga kasama ko, nag-games sila, games in Legend. Ako naman, mukbang. Food is life. Masarap. Nakakagigil. Super duper yummy. Supposedly, parisan ko to ngayon ng, ano guys, coffee. Pero naubusan kasi doon ng tubig sa water dispenser kasi ang daming nag-iigib mga kasama ko. Nasira na yung water dispenser. So, kunti na lang yung tubig tapos ang daming nag-iigib. So, hindi ako nagtimpla ng coffee. Supposedly, I'm eating ice cream together with hot coffee. Crazy woman. I'm so crazy and weird. Sarap. Sarap. Yun lang guys. Thank you for all your love and support for me. Thank you. I really appreciated you all. Sa lahat ng mga comments, sorry po kung delayed ako minsan mag-reply. Kasi work din po ako. At saka nakikipag-engage din po ako sa iba. So, salamat po ng marami sa inyong mga suporta at sa inyong presensya. Thank you po. God bless you all. And see you another vlog. Mukbang pa more. Bye everyone. Bye.